What's going on, guys? It's Alex here from CD Soft and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Flashforge Foto 8.9s Resin printer. This will be the first resin 3D printer we'll be looking at on the channel, and it's also a first for me because I've never had the opportunity to look at one in person before. So I'm really excited to get on with this unboxing, and without further ado, let's get into it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you also turn on notifications so that you get notified when we upload. Next video is going to be a quick setup and getting ready for our first print on this lovely machine. So we'll see you next time.